my dear students. So today I am going to start with the same topic, that is more Indian cities. But we will discuss here about the more Indian cities which were left in my previous video. Okay. So those Indian cities are Hyderabad, Guwahati, and Ahmedabad. So I am going to start with the first city, that is Guwahati. My dear students, Guwahati is located on the northeast of India. So I will only draw northeast part of India, okay, not the whole one. This is your northeast part, okay. So you can see that Guwahati is located. This is your Assam. This part is your Assam. And Guwahati is located here. And it is northeast. Okay. So this is just a rough drawing of India, and I'm telling you this because you should know that where Guwahati is actually located on the political map of India. That is why I have drawn this. So Guwahati is in Assam, along the bank of the river Brahmaputra. Okay, and you can see, as you know that the river Brahmaputra is a very widest river, सबसे चौड़ी river है पूरे इंडिया की. Okay, so that is why it is located on the bank of, or you can say along with the bank of river Brahmaputra. Okay, so the important languages, or you can say not the important, but you can say the major languages which are spoken here is, number one is your Assamese. Okay, number one is your Assamese spelling is wrong. Then we have English, and then we have Bengali. Bengali is also Bengali is the language which is also spoken here. And Bihu is the most important festival of these Assamese. Okay, these people living in Guwahati, and it is also famous for its woolen shawls. You know, Assam जो है, गुवाहाटी थोड़ी you can say ठंडा इलाका है, ठीक है. तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे वुलन शॉल्स बहुत फेमस है, और यहाँ के लोग जो हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स भी बनाते हैं उसमें भी दे आर वेरी गुड इन मेकिंग हैंडीक्राफ्ट. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट योर गुवाहाटी. इट इज लोकेटेड in the northeast part of Assam, India, that is in Assam, along with the river Brahmaputra. Okay, the main languages spoken here are English, Assamese, and Bengali. Okay, and it is also known as the gateway to the northeast India. Gateway to the northeast India. यानी कि अगर यहाँ से कोई भी आएगा, कोई भी अगर कंट्री हम पे अटैक कर दे या यहाँ से कोई आएगा, तो it is gateway for them. And it is also famous for its handicrafts and woolen shawls. So this was all about your Guwahati. The second topic is your Hyderabad. As you all know that Hyderabad is the capital of two important cities, that is Andhra Pradesh and what? Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Okay, it is the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Now, I will tell you that where Hyderabad is located. So I have drawn this map. Okay, this was the rough map, and here we have somewhere here we have Telangana. यहाँ पे हमारा आंध्र प्रदेश आता है ना, इसके नीचे हमारा तमिलनाडु है. इसको थोड़ी और ऊपर कर देती हूँ. have Telangana. Okay, and Hyderabad is somewhere here. आप अगर पॉलिटिकल मैप देखोगे बेटा, तो पॉलिटिकल मैप में आपको एक स्पॉट ब्लैक कलर का स्पॉट मिलेगा एंड समवेयर हियर। तो यहाँ पे जो पॉलिटिकल मैप, इंडिया का जो पॉलिटिकल मैप है, उस पे हैदराबाद जो है वो तेलंगाना की स्टेट पे है। ओके, एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज अमरावती। नाउ आंध्र प्रदेश जो है, आंध्र प्रदेश की कैपिटल जो है वो चेंज होने वाली है, अभी हुई नहीं है बट होने वाली है। प्रपोज अमरावती इज प्रपोज्ड एज द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश। ओके, और तेलंगाना की कैपिटल फिर हैदराबाद की रहेगी। नाउ द इम्पोर्टेंट लैंग्वेजेस व्हिच आर स्पोकन हियर आर इंग्लिश एंड तेलुगु, and famous landmarks which where you can visit is your you can say Makkah Masjid, then we have Charminar, then we have Birla Mandir, and these are the important cities, important places, tourist places where you can visit. And Hyderabad is also known as the IT technology industry. Okay, or you can say it is the major hub of the information technology industry. So my dear students, this was all about your Hyderabad. The important points which you have to learn, Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana as well as Andhra Pradesh. Now Amravati is proposed as the capital state of Andhra Pradesh. अभी हुआ नहीं है but it is proposed. Okay, and you can see on the political map of India it is located in Telangana. Okay, then important languages English and Telugu, important places Birla Mandir, Charminar, Makkah Masjid and Salar Jung Museum. Okay, and it is also known as it is the major hub of information technology industry. So this was all about your this thing, Hyderabad. Now third comes to my dear student. I will rub the blackboard so that you can easily understand. Third one is your Ahmedabad. Third one is your Ahmedabad. Now Ahmedabad is located on Gujarat. So it is located in Gujarat. गुजरात की कैपिटल क्या है बेटा? गुजरात की कैपिटल क्या है? हमने कैपिटल सिटीज किए हुए हैं पहले वाले चैप्टर में. यस, दोज हु गेव द आंसर वेरी गुड, दैट इज योर गांधीनगर. सो गुजरात की कैपिटल है हमारी गांधीनगर. And I will tell you that where Ahmedabad is located on the political map of India. I will roughly draw the map of India, political map of India. This is the south part, and so this part is your Gujarat. ठीक है, ये आपका गुजरात है. एंड अहमदाबाद इज समवेयर हियर. गांधीनगर यहाँ पे है. ठीक है, और उसके नीचे यहाँ पे हल्का सा यहाँ पे है हमारा अहमदाबाद. So you can see that where I have located Ahmedabad on the political also located on the bank of the river साबरमती. साबरमती आपने सुना ही होगा, दांडी मार्च हुआ था हमारा साबरमती से, साबरमती रिवर तक हुआ था, ठीक है. तो दैट इज वाई साबरमती इज ऑल्सो फेमस फॉर इट्स दांडी मार्च, ठीक है. एंड इट इज नोन एज द मैनचेस्टर ऑफ ईस्ट. मैनचेस्टर ऑफ ईस्ट हम इसको इसीलिए बोलते हैं बिकॉज अहमदाबाद से ही हमारी टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री स्टार्ट हुई थी. ओके, टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री पता है ना, टाटा बिरला नाम तो सुना ही होगा आप लोगों ने, है ना. तो इन लोगों की इंडस्ट्री, मेन इंडस्ट्री कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई थी? अहमदाबाद से स्टार्ट हुई, ठीक है. एंड द इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेसेस वेयर यू कैन विजिट इज अ सिद्धि बाहिर मॉस्क, then you have Kite Museum, then you have Sabarmati Ashram is also there, जो हमारे फादर ऑफ द नेशन थे महात्मा गांधी जी, उनका आश्रम भी यहीं पर ही है, साबरमती आश्रम, ठीक है. Then these are the important tourist places. The Garba here, you can say Garba जो है वो इनका famous folk dance है. Okay, Garba is the famous folk dance of this city. एंड ये ज़्यादातर परफॉर्म करते हैं ड्यूरिंग नवरात्रीज. एंड देन वी हैव फेमस डिशेज ढोकला एंड थेपला. These two dishes are very famous in Gujarat and in all over the world of Gujarati people. So my dear students, I have told you about these about Ahmedabad and about Hyderabad and Guwahati. Okay, I hope you understood and you can easily locate them on the political map of India. Revise the chapter, read the chapter, and your work is locate these three places on the political map of India and send it to me, or you can write in a comment box if you have any query, any questions.